For our STEM project, we chose to research the use and progress of robotic surgery and its impact on the scientific and medical world. We learned that one of the primary innovations in this aspect of the STEM world is the Da Vinci C. It is not an autonomous invention because doctors do manually control the machine. The way the surgeon controls the machine is pretty simple. NYU says that the surgeon controls these instruments and the camera from a console located in the operating room. They use their own hands to maneuver the device and are able to operate all four arms of the Da Vinci while looking through a high-tech screen that gives them the opportunity to have a 3D view of the patient. The Da Vinci is by far the most popular surgical robot model, with over 1 million procedures performed in the year 2018. An article from undark.org says that Da Vinci resembles an oversized four-armed tarantula. By this, they are referring to the large arms. These arms hold all the tools that would be available to a surgeon in a normal operating room. The Mayo Clinic says that the robotic surgery causes fewer complications, such as the surgical site infection, less pain and blood loss, quicker recovery, and smaller, less noticeable scars. This means that when surgery such as the one picture would be made much more convenient for the doctor and patient, especially with messy and complicated surgery such as heart procedures. Doctors are given more comfort with this system. According to the Mayo Clinic, the surgeon controls the arms while seated at a computer console near the operating table. This ensures that they don't have to stand for many hours while operating on the patient. The theme this year for STEM project was science. We decided to choose a topic that links or interconnects both the world of robotics and science to the medical world. We thought that robotic surgery combined all of these topics perfectly. This robot uses advanced, high-definition cameras and minimal incisions on the patient. According to the NYU Robotic Surgery Center, we use miniaturized surgical instruments that fit through a series of quarter-inch incisions. All of these required advanced scientific discovery, which connects the robots to the medical field. The Da Vinci gives the doctor a much more detailed and close-up view of the patient they are operating on. Surgeons can more easily communicate with other operators and assistants when they use high-definition screens and images to show what they need to do, which can also quicken the process. With new technology always comes new risks and complications. We personally believe that robotic surgery, if made more accessible to doctors and patients, would benefit the medical community. We do, however, understand there are downsides to discarding traditional surgery. Doctors are being able to sit during hours and hours of surgery, put less stress on them. According to Dina.org, the smaller incisions needed by robotic surgery generally means patients feel less pain and discomfort following their procedure. This gives patients more comfort and an easier recovery. Also, when working with robots, there is a less chance of infection because human hands aren't physically involved. There are also much clearer images than the doctors could previously see. We do realize that cost is an issue for many places. However, many hospitals do spend millions of dollars on expensive surgical equipment. The technology or coding in the machine can malfunction, posing an extreme safety problem for the patient. However, surgeons can perform in similar ways that can harm the patient. Another issue that arises is the fact that people simply aren't comfortable with being operated on in non-traditional ways. Although the pros do outweigh the cons, as Mayo Clinic states, robotic surgery isn't an option for everyone. The future is bright for this type of robot. The number of robots being used in the modern world has been increasing, and the same can be said about these. According to undoc.org, last year, Intuitive Surgical, the leading manufacturer of surgical robot systems, shipped more than 900 units of its most popular model, the Da Vinci, each priced roughly at $1.5 million. This shows a growth in people using these and them becoming more possible in regular usage. More people are becoming more accepting and comfortable using new technology in the medical community. Obvious technical challenges and prices, robotic surgery will be more comfortable for doctors, easier and less painful for patients, and more sanitary than traditional open surgery. Robotic surgery is the future for the medical community and future of science.